What's up, guys? Welcome to Romania. This is my 8th country. I got here last night. I have today and tomorrow, and then tomorrow night actually I'm heading to a new country. So I really have, basically today is my only really full day because tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to the airport. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys around like I normally do. I got a really nice place here. This place is about $100 US per night. That's the bathroom there. Here's my bedroom. Yeah, really nice place, about $100 US a night. It's about 450 Romanian lei. The exchange rate is about 4.5 to 1, so about 4.5 Romanian lei makes up $1 US. But anyway, let's go around Bucharest. I already filling my phone because my GoPro is having problems. But currently heading to the gas station to get some drinks and some snacks. And I want to go to the Parliament building later, but I'll probably have to take an Uber because it's quite the walk from where I'm staying at. But yeah, not a bad city so far. The cars park a lot on the sidewalks, but then again the streets aren't very big either, so that makes sense. Footage is going to be a little shaky on my phone because I don't have the stabilizer like my GoPro does. Nice brick sidewalk here. Huh. Alright, so just got back from the gas station. Got some Pringles, some lemonade. Not really sure what this is, but it's like some chocolate with some like cream in between it. And then in this bag, we got some napkins. And then we got a pretzel and a croissant in there. So this stuff should be pretty good. On my way to the Parliament building. And there it is. Now I get a little bit closer here. I'm guessing maybe we can go inside, I don't know though. Okay, so unfortunately for me, the last tour of the day started 10 minutes ago, so not gonna be able to get a tour of the place, but I'm still here, so I guess I'll just walk over here and get my picture taken. I don't know, no one really seems like there's just like one cop at each entrance, and none of them even seem to care if you just step on to the Parliament building. Like I literally walked in and nobody even cared, so alrighty, well, I'm probably gonna end the video here at Romania's Parliament building. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.